Hello everyone, welcome back to our English Story Podcast, episode 38. Today we're learning English with a short story, and our topic is bird idioms. By the end of this video, you'll understand and remember 12 common English expressions about birds. Let's begin. At my office, most people are early birds. They truly believe the early bird catches the worm, so they arrive before 7 a.m. In our company, there's a clear pecking order. The managers have more power, and some workers feel like their wings have been clipped. They can't make important decisions. Last week, I finished 2 big projects in one afternoon. My boss smiled and said, "You killed 2 birds with 1 stone. That was definitely a feather in my cap." Now, let me tell you about my sister. She is not a spring chicken anymore, but she still dreams big. Unfortunately, she once accepted a job for chicken feed. Almost no money. She is also a little chicken-livered. She wanted to travel alone, but she chickened out at the last minute. When she was young, she was an ugly duckling, but she grew up into a confident and beautiful woman. The problem is she sometimes counts her chickens before they hatch. She celebrates success before it's real, and sometimes her mistakes come home to roost. But one thing I admire about her: criticism falls off her like water off a dog's back. Now, let's quickly explain these expressions. Early bird catches the worm, meaning people who start early succeed. Example, apply early. The early bird catches the worm. Pecking order, a ranking system in a group. Example, every office has a pecking order. Have your wings clipped. To lose freedom or power. Example, after the mistake, his wings were clipped. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Do 2 things at once. Example, I studied while commuting. Killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Feather in your cap. Something to be proud of. Example, getting promoted was a feather in her cap. Not a spring chicken. Not young anymore. Example, he is not a spring chicken, but he's energetic. Chicken feed. Very little money. Example, they paid him chicken feed. Chicken livered. Easily scared. Example, don't be chicken livered. Chicken out. To back out because of fear. Example, I wanted to skydive, but I chickened out. Ugly duckling. Someone who becomes attractive later. Example, she was an ugly duckling as a child. Count your chickens before they hatch. Don't assume success too early. Example, don't spend the money yet. Come home to roost. Past actions cause problems later. Example, his lies came home to roost. Like water off a dog's back. Criticism doesn't affect someone. Example, insults are like water off a dog's back for hair. Now, you know 12 powerful bird idioms. Write 1 sentence using your favorite idiom in the comments below. If you enjoy learning English through stories, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!